Good day, everyone. The opportunity awaits in Palms of Portmore. This centrally located 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house with spacious open-concept living, dining, and kitchen plus front patio. This small gated community is ideal for raising families. It boasts a front yard, side yards, and spacious backyard. It has a perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and charm. Ideally located near Sovereign Village, price-smart Portmore, and a wide range of recreational and commercial amenities. This smart investment, whether for first-time homeowners or investors, has strong potential to expand on one side, at the back, and above. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of Portmore. Let's take a look inside. The price for this one is JMD $30,900,000. If you want to view this property, the link is in the description for the agent. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more video like this. Thank you.